Hi, are you looking for the best Twitter video maker? Try to use LightMV. LightMV is a user-friendly application that allows you to make a Twitter video without any hassle. It also consists of several video templates with music background to use. To utilize this app, simply get the program from the Google Play Store or App Store and then install it on your mobile phone afterwards. Launch it on your phone, then select a video theme that matches your needs, then tap the Try for Free button. Tap the plus sign icon on the screen to add the file that you want to use for your Twitter. Once done, press the Try for Free button and wait for the video to be processed. Lastly, tap the download icon to save it on your mobile phone. And that is how you make a Twitter video using this tool. For more information, don't hesitate to visit its official website at www.lightmv.com. Thank you for watching.